Good morning, student. I am your science teacher, Mrs. Nilima Singh. Welcome to the online science classes for the new session. Let's start our lesson Teeth and Tooth Care. So, yesterday we learned about the temporary teeth and permanent teeth and functions of teeth also. So, children, today I am asking some questions. So, tell me the answer. Why are teeth important? Yes, to bite and chew food. And any point? Help to speak properly. How many molars in lower jaw? Yes, anybody? How many molars in lower jaw? There are 6 molars in lower jaw. How many incisor teeth in lower and upper jaw? I am asking both lower and upper jaw. Yes, there are 8 incisor teeth in lower and upper jaw. Okay. Milk teeth is also called dash teeth. Anybody? Milk teeth is also called a temporary teeth. Okay. Milk teeth is also called a temporary teeth. Now function of teeth. Teeth help us to many ways. Teeth help us to bite and chew food. They help us to speaking clearly. They give shape to our face, and clean teeth make our smile beautiful. Okay. Now see the book here, types of teeth. How many types of teeth are there? Permanent teeth are of 4 types. There are incisor teeth, canine or tearing teeth, premolars or crushing teeth, molars or grinding teeth. So, incisor teeth we are called incisor or cutting teeth. First I will explain about incisor or cutting teeth. Incisor teeth, your 8 incisor teeth are located in the front part of your mouth. You have 4 of them in your upper jaw and 4 in your lower jaw. So listen carefully. Incisors are shaped like small chisel. They have sharp edges that help you to bite into food. So it is very important that incisor teeth help to bite our food. Whenever you sink your teeth into something such as an apple, you use your incisor teeth. When we are cutting any hard thing, then we start cutting from our incisor teeth only. And same as canine. Canine have a sharp pointed surface for tearing the food. They tear the food. The first baby canine come in between the ages of 16 months and 20 months. The upper canines grow in first, followed by the lower canine. Premolars, your 8 premolars set next to your canine. There are 4 premolars on top and 4 on the bottom. Premolars are bigger than the canines and incisors. They have a flat surface with ridges for crushing and grinding food into smaller pieces to make it easier to swallow. So they help the food to make a smaller pieces. Next one is molars. Your 12 molars are your biggest and strongest teeth. 6 in lower jaw and 6 in the upper jaw. So 12 molars are biggest and strongest teeth. You have 6 on the top and 6 on the bottom. The main 8 molars are sometimes divided into your 6-year and 12-year molars based on when they typically grow in. The large surface area of your molars helps them grind up food. When you eat, your tongue pushes food in pieces small enough for you to swallow. So they help to push the small enough for you to swallow. The molars include 4 wisdom teeth. which are the last set of teeth come in. They usually come in between the ages of 17 to 25. Wisdom teeth are also called third molars. Clear, student? Now see the book. Here first one is types of teeth. Permanent teeth are of four types. They are incisors or cutting teeth. See children, these are chisel shaped and have sharp cutting teeth. So incisor, the diagram you see here, front teeth in each jaw are incisor. They are used to bite our food. Now second one, canines or tearing teeth. It is also called tearing teeth. Canines are dagger shaped teeth. They are very sharp and pointed. These are used to tear the food. These teeth help to tear the food. They are two in number in each jaw and present on either side of the incisor. Now see next page. Premolars or crushing teeth. Premolars are broad, flat and strong teeth. These are four premolars in each jaw. They are present on either side of the canines in each jaw. They help to crush the food. So it is also called a premolars crushing teeth. Now next one is molars or grinding teeth. Molars are broader than the premolars. They have broad upper surface to grind food. These are 6 molars in each jaw. So how many molars in each jaw? 6 molars. Thus the total number of teeth is upper jaw C, incisor 4, canines 2, premolars 4, molars 6. How much total? 6, 4, 2, 4. It will be 16. Now lower jaw, incisor 4, canines 2, premolars 4, molars 6. So 16. 16 plus 16, 32. Now look into the mirror and count your teeth with the help of your index. How many teeth do you have in each jaw? What are the function of these teeth? Fill in the blanks in the table below. Now see here types of teeth. Incisor. Here it is given incisor, canines, premolars and molars. See children, incisor, number of teeth in each jaw will be 8. And function is to bite food. Next one is canines. Number of teeth in each jaw 4. And its function is to tear the food. Okay. Premolars. Number of teeth in each jaw is 8. And function is they help to crush the food. Molars. Number of teeth in each jaw is 12. So they help to grind food. So every teeth have different functions. So how many teeth are there? 4 types of teeth in permanent teeth. So it will be, first one is incisor or cutting teeth. Second one is canines or tearing teeth. Third one is premolars or crushing teeth. And fourth one is molars or grinding teeth.